tropical tune, singing with strawberries under the moon. Bananas swing from the top like a vine. Grapes giggle softly, we're doing just fine. Oranges bounce in their citrusy cheer. Next stop, the melon patch, everyone steer. Pineapples driving with style and flair, wearing cool shades and a spiky green hair. Cherries are dancing right over the seats, passing out slices of juicy peach treats. Watermelon windows juicy and red, mangoes are dreaming on soft kiwi beds. The fruit bus is sweet from bumper to tire, filled with fun and never gets tired. So if you hear music and fruity feet tap, it's the fruit bus coming. Better go grab your cap, climb on the ride, say wee and yum yum. Let's go where the fruity adventures come from. So if you hear music and fruity feet tap, it's the fruit bus coming. Better go grab your cap.